Hey guys, in this video we will going to talk about the SendFox review. So in this video description box we have provided you the link, okay, of this web page. So from here you can just get all the complete details of SendFox, okay. So SendFox is a email automation email marketing tool that can help you to send any automated newsletter campaigns or broad campaigns at a very affordable price, and you can send unlimited emails just for $49. Okay, so this is all about the SendFox, and it is purchased by thousands of people. Okay, so here you can see that many people have purchased this product and they are very much happy. So if you are a podcaster or blogger or a YouTuber, and if you want to send emails to your clients, okay, or your leads, so that you can turn them into a customer, so this email marketing tool can be a very good solution for you at a very affordable price. Okay, so here you can just read all the details. Basically the SendFox also provides you to create landing pages and forms, okay, and it is just a one time offer. You don't have to pay again and again. So you might have seen plenty of different tools, okay, email marketing tools where you have to renew it, and the renew cost is very high, but not with SendFox. You can just upload or send unlimited emails at a very affordable price, and you can integrate it with Zapier. You can just send unlimited emails. You can import all the data from MailChimp as well. Okay, and you will going to get complete features like you can send unlimited emails, you can schedule email campaigns. Okay, so you can just schedule campaigns. That means, for example, if someone will fill the form, you have to send them email immediately, after 2 days, after few hours. That is all about the automation. Okay, this is what you can do with this SendFox tool. Okay, and you can just send unlimited automations. You will get custom landing pages, custom forms including GDPR. Okay, so you don't have to worry about any law issues. Okay, and you can just tag. You will going to get the option of a list where you can just store all your contact details of your customers. Okay, and you can also get the advanced analytics where you can see how many people have opened your email, how many people have clicked on that, and many more. Okay, so it's a complete CRM based functionality you will going to get. Okay, and it is a complete amazing tool because it integrates with plenty of amazing big tools like King Sumo, Zapier, and many more. Okay, you can just manage unlimited brands from your one account only. Okay, so you can just see these are the amazing landing pages you guys can create, and this is the automated email sequence which you can do, and you can, as we have mentioned, you can import from MailChimp as well. Okay, and you can see the reports, and also SendFox comes with different pricing plan, and you can of course click here to see more tires. Okay, so it depends. For example, if you want 5,000 subscribers, you can just go ahead with the basic tier one, which will going to cost you $49. Okay, and same you can just go with tier two if you want 10,000 subscriber email list. Okay, so you have to choose the tier two, and so on. Okay, so if you want more big tire, you can of course click on this button and you can just go ahead and choose your tire as well. Okay, so there are plenty of things about SendFox, and if you guys are interested, just go ahead. We have provided you this link, SendFox AppSumo.com. Okay, so just go ahead. In this video description we have provided you this link. Just go ahead to the link, click on this link. You will come to here and read each and everything about SendFox. You will going to get a good knowledge, and of course you can just purchase this tool from here, okay, at a very affordable price. Okay.